Alright, so I've got the 5 jungle packs we're going to open for today's video. Let's get started. I'm still looking for 2 of the evolutions. I have the Vaporeon and, quite a few holos in this set. So I got a lot of these from a guy I know, and I am selling most of them, so keep a lookout on my Instagram. First pack, Rapidash, Seaking, Persian, Nidoran, Paris, Venonat, Execute, Jigglypuff, Meowth, and the rare is a Jolteon. Sweet. That is one that I needed. Let me grab a sleeve. Perfect. So 1 for 1 on holos needed. Let's jump right into pack number 2. The rare is always on the front, so I will put them in the back for you. Parasect, Executor, Persian, Pokeball, Venonat, Bellsprout, Mankey, Jigglypuff, Meowth, and the rare is a Kangaskhan. That is a double. So unfortunate pull there. Pack number 3. Start with a Butterfree, Gloom, Lickitung, Execute, Mankey, Rhyhorn, Spearow, Eevee, Pikachu, and another Kangaskhan back to back. So now I've got 3 of these guys. I'll be sending, extras in the PSA to get graded. Keep some for trade bait. Really hoping not to pull too many duplicates. Nidorina, Executor, Taurus, Oddish, Bellsprout, Execute, Cubone, Spearow, Meowth, and a Nidoqueen. Very nice. I think I already have that one. Not sure. Yeah. And the 5th and final pack for this video. Seaking, Parasect, Fearow, Goldeen, Paris, Cubone, Spearow, Meowth, Pikachu, and the rare is a Vaporeon. So that is also a double for me. But that is okay. I've got some packs left, so hoping to get a little closer to completing these sets. I'll be back with another video shortly. I don't know if I'm going to switch up the sets each video. Maybe I'll just do one set at a time. We'll see how it goes. But thanks for watching. Remember to follow me on Instagram, and see you next time.